Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to password protect a Word and Excel document. To password protect a Word document, you can do the following. Click on File, select Info. Go to Protect Document, select Encrypt with Password. Then enter a password. Press OK. Re-enter the password to confirm. Save the file. For Excel, use the same steps. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.